What's up, guys? It is Amir, and today I'm gonna show you exactly what stopped me from losing money in the long run and stopped me from losing more than the $30,000 that I initially lost whenever I first started trading. And then it finally turned me profitable into the trader that I am now, making over 5 figures a month as a trader. So I'm gonna go over that one simple thing that helped me turn profitable. And once I disclose this to you, you can use this simple thing to also turn yourself into a profitable trader as well. Once I realized that all I need is a simple, repeatable system and setup, then it was game over from there. That's literally all I needed. So one of the things that I used to do is I don't even trade ES anymore, but this is from like years ago whenever I used to trade ES. All of this BS on my chart, this is all that I had. And this is one thing that you don't need whenever you're trading. A whole bunch of clutter, just a whole bunch of indicators. And this isn't even indicators. This was a strategy that I was initially using. But all of this, like, you don't need this on your chart. All you need is just one, maybe two indicators. Or honestly, you really don't even need any indicators whatsoever. But generally speaking, two max maybe. But all you need is just simple, repeatable setup. And what I do is I use what I call the 8 EMA trend continuation model, which is just one indicator. It's the 8 EMA, which is this line right here that you see is following price, this green line. The trend continuation, which means that I'm just getting into trades, following the trend. And then the whole thing is, of course, it's a model. So the 8 EMA trend continuation model. So once I realized that all I need is just one simple, repeatable setup, it was game over from there. I started making money. My thought process was clearer. I started finding executable trades that didn't rely on intuition and a whole bunch of guesswork and just basically just guessing what the market will do. And I started finally trading what I see and not what I think, not thinking that, okay, price is about to reverse right here, and I'm anticipating, or I'm assuming it's gonna do so, when all this was just a simple pullback, and then it continued to the upside. So once I realized that all I needed was a simple, repeatable setup, it was game over from there, because now all I'm doing is just finding easy pullbacks to get into to continue to the upside whenever it's a bullish trade, and finding simple, easy pullbacks on the bearish side to continue to the downside. And I started hitting a lot more trades than what I was hitting versus whenever I had a million indicators on my chart. Now, with that being said, how exactly do I find these trades? Using the knowledge that I realized that turned me from being unprofitable to profitable. So that's a great question. The model that I use, like I said, is called the 8 EMA trend continuation model. So the first thing we want to do is actually find the trend. So if we're seeing higher highs and higher lows being formed over this 8 EMA, then we're looking at a bullish trend going to the upside. And then if we're seeing lower highs and lower lows being formed under this 8 EMA, then we're looking at a bearish trend going to the downside. Now, let's take a look at this example and actually get into a trade. Using the first step that I gave, we see that higher highs and higher lows are being formed over this 8 EMA, which signals a strong bullish trend going to the upside. And finally, the last step that we're going to need is we're going to need a nice pullback to the 8 EMA to solidify the trend and show that it is continuation going to the upside. And once we get in on that pullback, we'll be able to see that price continues to respect that 8 EMA and then continue to the upside so it can hit our take profit. So like I said, we see the higher highs and higher lows being formed. And then all a pullback is just simply these candles here. So if we go ahead and scroll to the left, we see price pulls back to the 8 EMA here, comes back to close over. And then same thing with this candle here. Price pulls back under the 8 EMA and then closes over. Pulls back to the 8 EMA, closes over. Another pullback here, closes over. Another pullback. And it continues to do this. And then as you can see, once price does that pullback, it continues to close higher and higher. And then once that happens, then it just does a complete breakout right here to form a new higher high. So the last thing we're going to need is to find a candle like this where price comes back to the 8 EMA and does what it's already done 8 other times. We have 5 here, and then we have 6, 7, 8 right here. So once it does it one more time, we can get in and expect the 9th pullback and then continuation to the upside. So we're going to go ahead and play this out. And then 6 candles later, we end up seeing that we have a full pullback right here where price wicks under the 8 EMA to close right here, which is over. And that gives us our signal that we can actually get into a trade going to the upside. So all we're gonna do is just go ahead and target a new higher high. Let's just go with 200 ticks here, and then 200 ticks as a stop loss. And then we'll be able to target a new higher high, and then also our stop loss is placed comfortably under this 8 EMA. That way, so if price does end up breaking through this 10-minute 8 EMA, then we'll notice that price will be able to come to one of these higher time frames and still end up rejecting off the 8 EMA. And that way, if price does end up breaking the 10-minute, then we won't get stopped out, and then it comes to reject on a higher time frame and then continues to our take profit. That wouldn't be good because, we will be out the trade already. So now we're going to go ahead and continue to play it out. And then we see a rejection here, and then it continues to the upside, and we end up hitting our take profit here. But that would be it from me, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoy content like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I try to come out with content like this very frequently. So if you need videos like this, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, drop a like and leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns. And if you want coaching whenever it comes to this type of strategy, then go ahead and click the link in the description, because I have a 7-day free access just for you to claim. And you can go ahead and get coaching whenever it comes to the ATCM and just overall with trading in general. But appreciate you for tuning in, and I'll see you in another video.